When Yuga Labs launched the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection in April 2021, no one could have predicted everything that would follow. The JPEG apes took NFTs to interstellar heights, bringing millions of eyes to the cryptocurrency industry. Since then, Yuga Labs haven't stopped delivering new NFT projects and innovate new products. The ecosystem has continued to expand, building beyond simple non-fungible tokens. The explosive startup has crafted an immersive metaverse for the Yuga world and even acquired the most iconic NFT collection ever. Now, despite its astronomical growth, Yuga Labs started from humble beginnings. Four pseudonymous co-founders got together in February 2021 and began drafting the first sketches of the Bored Apes collection. They chose to base the characters of apes as an homage to aping in crypto slang for buying something without doing any research. 2 months later, 10,000 Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs were minted on Ethereum blockchain. The trending collection sold out in 12 hours at a 0.08 Ethereum mint price. Exactly a year later, the Bored Apes floor price was valued at over 130 Ethereum. These NFTs were the ultimate flex for celebrities and athletes keen to show off their new JPEGs. Then, Yuga Labs released supporting collections to expand their brand and put their NFTs into the hands of wider audience. Released in June 2021, Bored Ape Kennel Club NFTs were the first companions for Bored Apes. The Mutant Ape Yacht Club swiftly followed these cartoon dogs in August. After a successful 2021, Yuga Labs adopted a new vision for 2022: expansion. They acquired the historic CryptoPunks collection from its original creatives, Larva Labs, in March 2022. By acquiring CryptoPunks and Meebits, Yuga had a monopoly over the NFT market. Hot off the heels of the acquisition, ApeCoin DAO launched the Ape token. The event was significant in NFT history, with NFT holders receiving tens of thousands of dollars worth of tokens as a reward. Today, Ape is a utility token within the Yuga Labs ecosystem and was used to mint Yuga's next collection, Other Side Land Plots. Now, as theories continued circulating in crypto news outlets about the identities of the Yuga Labs co-founders, a BuzzFeed article finally outed the mysterious creators in February 2022. For the eager detective, it was as simple as searching public records. Yuga Labs was publicly registered to an address connected to Greg Solana, aka Gargamel. The other Yuga co-founders responded by doxing their identities in solidarity, which has arguably helped deepen trust in the brand long term. Now, Yuga Labs has 6 separate collections under its umbrella. Bored Ape Yacht Clubs will always be the cornerstone of the ecosystem, however, the acquisition of CryptoPunks added serious weight to the Yuga monopoly. Bored Apes is the most recognizable NFT collection on the planet today. They dominate trade volume on marketplaces like OpenSea and Blur and are the NFT of choice for celebrities. Performers like Eminem or Snoop Dogg have gone so far as to use their Bored Ape NFTs in music videos. Mutant Apes helped grow the Yuga Labs holder base and expand their ecosystem by introducing 20,000 new NFTs to the Yuga universe. While the Bored Ape collection was a traditional mint, Mutant Apes changed the process. While 10,000 Mutant Apes were publicly auctioned off at an average price of $10,000 per each, every Bored Ape holder was airdropped a special mutant serum. By burning mutant serum, holders received another NFT depicting a mutated version of their original ape. Now, Bored Ape Kennel Club was the first companion collection within the Yuga Labs ecosystem. These fun and friendly Shiba-inspired NFTs were given to all Bored Ape holders as a free airdrop. And Other Side is the metaverse of the Yuga Labs ecosystem. This virtual game world is home to all apes and other compatible NFTs. The collection comprises over 100,000 unique lands called Other Deeds, each with different attributes such as their environment or sediment type. Now, if Bored Apes is the most recognizable NFT collection ever, CryptoPunks is the most iconic. Created by Larva Labs, these pixelated two-dimensional characters used to be considered the most valuable NFT collection on the market. CryptoPunk artwork became a reference across the Web3 world. Their legendary alien, zombie, and ape character traits have been honored in hundreds of NFT collections since their creation. Additionally, pixelized imagery has become common in DeFi apps and crypto culture. Now, comprised of 20,000 third-voxel characters, Meebits are a fun addition to the Yuga Labs universe. Each Meebit has a fully interactive 3D model, which can be imported into popular animation software tools and metaverses like the Sandbox. Anyway, Yuga Labs seemed to always have its thumb on a market's pulse. In March 2023, Yuga Lab launched 12fold, the first ordinal NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. Despite selling the entire collection for over 730 free Bitcoin, the process has been called a scammer's dream. Yuga's strategy for handling these auctions has been condemned by the crypto community and the founder of the Ordinals protocol himself. To buy a 12fold NFT during the auction, bidders were asked to send Bitcoin to the Yuga Labs controlled wallet. After the auction, unsuccessful bids were refunded to the original bidder. While it's improbable that Yuga Labs would scam unwary bidders, detractors have claimed their strategy sets a negative precedent for other launches within the ordinal space. Now, on the flip side, Yuga Labs has completely monopolized the Ethereum NFT market. Yuga-owned collections are the top 4 projects by all-time volume on OpenSea. In an industry so focused on decentralization, it seems counterproductive that one company has such a strong grip on the space. For most NFT collectors, owning a Bored Ape or a CryptoPunk is a jewel in the crown. While NFT value is clearly subjective, Yuga Labs is a leader in the NFT space. Their choices and decisions have a significant influence on the NFT market and the behavior of other collections. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.